Porsche's highlight at the IAA 2019, the new Taycan. The electric car is on display at the Porsche stand and represents the dawning of a new era. And its immediate surroundings are just as spectacular. A new concept stand allows visitors to experience the thrill of Porsche close up. We have a completely new trade fair design and have left no stone unturned. We wanted the stand to be more interactive and so have added a second stage with a program that runs the entire 12 days, even during the press days. All in all, it offers a 360-degree view of the brand. In addition to the Taycan, the floor above also makes the hearts of enthusiasts of 911s and 718s and co. beat a little faster. But it's not just the four-wheeled exhibits that excite, there's a lot more for visitors to experience. Altogether, we have more than 3 exhibits. There's one on the subject of charging infrastructure. How and where can I charge the Taycan? There's also a sit-in model of the cockpit, in which you can experience the Taycan in 3D. And get involved without actually having to get into the vehicle. 2 other exhibits, one showing in a virtual manner the unstoppable nature of the Taycan, and a second about vehicle acceleration and performance. Brand new at Porsche, a coffee bar to relax and recharge your batteries. And there's quite a lot on offer for our younger guests too. And of course, during the public days we have a lot of families and younger fans with us. And for them, we have a Carrera racing track, which the grown-ups can surely enjoy as well. With ample room to demonstrate the new aspects of Porsche, visitors can enjoy a hands-on view of the brand.